the exit now. That was a good place to stop, right? Yes, my anger. My anger, my anger, my anger. I know. Vortex, I know. I have a tendency to just like blow my lid off on this channel all the time. That ain't shit for me. Like, that's just internalized dialogue that I have with like all the people in my head, man. Like, it's how I look at society. Plenty of people are gonna like adamantly disagree with me because they don't want to look at society like that. I don't understand like how you can be the slightest bit optimistic about society. I feel like you're just one of those shitbags that I'm referring to. So of course you're not going to agree with me, and that's fine. Like, I'm not mad at you, you know. I love everybody, like even people that I don't love, even people that annoy me. I still want what's best for them, you know. Obviously, I wouldn't do what I do. Oh shit. Turn off my keyboard. Yes, we are driving right now, and this is the kind of stuff that we do. And it's fun. Aren't y'all having fun? Do you feel like you know me? Do you feel like you're riding the car with me? Oh, hey, there's a little fly. There's a fly, or some little flying thingy. Probably because I have food in my car and shit. And in case you're not familiar with this channel, yes, my car is like, it's like a hoarder's closet on pot. Okay, so that's, if that gives you any kind of visual. A hoarder's closet on pot. Well, you know potheads. Or maybe you don't. Maybe I know potheads because I am all those potheads, but it's like, even when I wasn't smoking, I still behaved exactly like this. So I think that's why I like smoking, and that's why I feel like it just kind of goes along with my personality. So it's like, my personality is really the best thing about me, so why wouldn't I want to be even more of that? But anyway, what was I saying? This is another problem with it, though. Oh yeah, for sure. But like I said, like all these issues, like were already issues before, so it's just like, I hate how people just say, oh, it's because of drugs and alcohol. It's like, dude, that stuff just basically highlights whatever your issues really are, you know? But what was I gonna say, though? Everything's a routine, you know? Everything's a routine. And I don't want to get too, like, stuck on one thing, because it's always bound to come back around. You know, every single thing that I'm talking about and thinking about, and it's annoying, like, watching this channel, honestly. I fucking hate it. I hate this channel. I hate YouTube. I hate all of it. I hate all of the internet. I hate, you know, social media in general. It's just so terrible. Like, even, like, not really doing a social network, it's like, it still gets to you, you know? I do this thing where I, like, spy. I spy on people. I'm, like, trying to understand, like, how they live their life and, like, what they're thinking is happening and stuff. But it's like, I don't have to spy on people because they're, like, letting it all hang out. They're literally, like, putting it all on the internet, so it's just weird. The life that I live is very weird, compared to what a lot of people in my civilization are doing. But anyway, what was I talking about? Something about pot. For sure. Something really funny. Something real smart, something really thought-provoking on pot. Oh, a hoarder's closet. Oh, my, okay. Do you want proof? This is the bag that I take into work every day. Look at how fucking big this bag is. Look at that shit. Okay? This is what I'm talking about. A hoarder's closet on pot. Yeah, so. Hats. Of course, I have an anti-government hat. I think I have multiple anti-government hats and a MAGA hat, though I never wear that shit because it's crap. But I'm not going to burn it or anything. I actually use it as an artifact, kind of like my nose ring. My nose ring is an artifact of my liberalism, and the MAGA hat is an artifact of me, like, trying to believe in somebody. Even if that somebody was Donald Trump. Seems kind of dumb, doesn't it? But, you know, you win some, you lose some, right?